Nissan Bula! Hey everyone, Baron and Bren Bruno, Professionals FIJI Real Estate, Fiji's only global real estate agency, and we're number one for a reason because we bring you listings for sale like this one. This is in Denarau, and this is the crown jewel. You can see us behind just over there. That is the Denarau golf course. So you're gonna wanna bring your tennis rackets, you're gonna wanna bring your golf clubs, your scuba gear, your surfboard, all your great bathing suits, casual wear, and if you're doing business here, well then bring some business gear, but this is really more for the Fiji style and that Bula spirit. And this home we have is on a 1,000 square meter lot, and this is in the Links Precinct. So they mention it that it's the Links Precinct because it's on the golf course, so very accessible to the Denarau Marina and Port, all the shopping, restaurants, retail, wine bars, coffee shops, 5-star resorts, you name it, it's here. So I bet you want to check out this house because you saw that big screen TV. Look at this. This is amazing. Just check out this living room. Huge projector screen. There's the projector over there. This house comes fully furnished with everything you see. This is big money right here for Pacific Green furniture, made right here in Fiji. And this is designed with local palm trees, palm wood. So if you haven't looked it up already, check it out. Give us a call. We'll tell you more about it. But there you have a workstation here. Look at this big great room. You got the nice music playing, nice vaulted wood ceilings, extraordinary Fijian design here, and this is really beautiful. Look at the flooring. And we're gonna go through, I'm gonna show you everything. Take your notes. Nice granite countertops with the bar stools. This home has a backup generator. Notice the pass-through, so this opens up. You can pass through to that big table outside there when you have guests coming over. Of course, you have all the modern appliances, your dishwasher, gas stove, oven, vent hood, and all the Fisher Paykel top appliances here. Fully functioning laundry room, and also you have an extra fridge here, so this also comes with it. You actually get 2 fridges. Lots of storage in this house, as you're gonna see. I know that's very important. So, cool thing is if you have kids and you wanna keep an eye on them and keep them entertained, I think this would be a great place if you want to do some gaming or watch some Netflix or streaming movies. This is just epic right here. So this is your great room. You have the privacy curtains. All of this opens up, as you can see. Golf course views, gorgeous swimming pool. And the way the home is divided, you have the master suite over here, which is really great if you want that privacy, obviously. And of course, you can do some entertaining here. More of those chairs. These are, again, Pacific Green high top coconut wood bar stools, and you can put those up on the opening here when you're entertaining. And another thing they were planning on doing is putting a rain tree plank here, a varnished rain tree plank, so you can put all the drinks and all the food. And that is gorgeous, locally produced wood here, grown wild all over the place. All right, so welcome to the master suite. Again, Pacific Green furnitures, privacy, shutters, vaulted ceilings. Look at that. Great aircon, huge ceiling fan. And you have another TV in here. So these guys love to watch TV when they're not out doing all those water activities and business activities. Here you have great shower stall, lots of beautiful tiling in here. Double sinks, that's always great, especially if you have a significant other, right? Don't want to share. But look at this. This is an outdoor jetted tub, and you can see it's covered, but you're really outdoors. Look at that. I mean, all the natural light, and of course, for privacy's sake, with this, it can all be put in frosted glass or tied up a little bit more. If you're a little more insecure about your body, you don't want to, people sneaking a peek here. But nonetheless, look at this beautiful barbecue and bar area. This is your own private barbecue area. Look at this tiled top here. This is so cool. I mean, literally, you have your own barbecue, entertaining area, and you get views of the golf course. There's an electrical fence right here too, so none of the golfers can sneak in here and check you out in the tub there or come into your yard. So you have a great safety mechanism there. And you notice the gas torches here too, so those can be lit up at night. And these are called umbala, and they're actually a native tree here. And what they do is they actually will carve these, as you can see. Let's have a look. They'll carve these up. You can see that in the face. And then they'll put the torches. Sometimes they'll do the live flames, or they'll put in coconuts and grow plants out of them, especially orchids. So you have great grass area. Now you've seen the master suite. We've seen the living area. We're gonna go down this side now and see the bedrooms. Here is one of the first bedrooms. Again, gorgeous vaulted ceilings, privacy shutters, nice tropical plants out there, beautiful shower stall. So you're gonna wanna go to professionalsfiji.com and call us at +679 999 2051 to learn more about this stunner. And you can see again that master suite is just on the other side over there. So here is the second bedroom off to the side. And there you have some closet space for all the linens and your clothing. Second shower stall. Great home for entertaining. Wonderful precinct. If you do have kids, this is a great precinct because the bus for the international school gets off right here. Half bath for guests. This is actually sort of an office slash guest room also. So if you didn't want the bed in here and you wanted to have a really beautiful office, they have that global map up there. And we used to do is put pins on the wall and you can show everybody where that you've been before, which is kind of exciting. So let's keep walking through. I'm going to show you. This room does not have the ensuite, but it has a nice big walk-in closet there. There's that world map. And Fiji is just right on the edge over there. That's where we're at. All right, let's keep on going. A beautiful, nice entryway here with the Buddha statue. And you can see that little floater over there in the pool just waiting for you to hop on it. Let's take another look at the great room. I mean, look at that. For all you people into architecture, interior design, take a look at this and find out more. We can help you get the cars, the boats, the jet skis, all the fun toys that go with it. In fact, they even have a golf cart in here, double car enclosed garage, and you can see beautiful tile work here, great entryway, and another one of those umbala statues out there to welcome guests as they come into your beautiful home. So again, we have this beautiful Denarau home for sale. It's in the Lynx precinct on Denarau Island. Denarau is about 15 to 20 minutes from the international airport. 5-star resorts, restaurants, retail, shopping, all within walking distance. And even the boat charters, fishing trips you can take out to the Mamanutha and Isawa Islands are all really, really close here. So this is a great luxury property. We look forward to hearing from you soon. And in the meantime, I think I may just hop on this guy and relax a little bit. And we'll be waiting here for you. So you take care, and we will see you here right in that bar area, just right there. That stool's waiting for you. See you soon. Yanaka.